The two biggest names of the tech world are working together to fight against the COVID-19 epidemic. Apple and Google's first joint venture, creating a tool that tracks the coronavirus symptoms and affected people. Interestingly, the tool helps people by warning them about people they've come up in contact with who are infected with the coronavirus. Click on the bell icon to get the latest tech updates. And join us on Tech Shouters to know more about all the new happenings in the tech world. Apple and Google are creating new technology together for the very first time named Coronavirus Tracker. This coronavirus tracker tool is to help people about coronavirus symptoms and also gives you an alert message about coronavirus-affected people. Initially, Apple and Google plan to release Tracker in May for public health authorities to screen people quickly. Then after some time, or in the coming months, the company will also release Coronavirus Tracker to Android and iOS users to help more people. This new technology is based on Bluetooth wireless radio technology. On Friday, Google CEO Sundar Pichai has tweeted and said, "This collaboration is to help public health officials." Apple CEO Tim Cook also tweeted and said, "This joint venture can help slow the spread of COVID-19 and can be done without users' privacy." Well, this is the first collaboration between two big tech organizations around the world. Apple and Google are the two biggest opponents and are working together to help us by providing official information. Earlier to this, Apple and Google have also started to create and distribute safety equipment to healthcare workers. This new technology is made for the solitary reason to support contact tracing, by which healthcare workers could be able to effortlessly identify the patient's history. New technology could possibly increase the screening process. People who are verified as having a coronavirus can warn other persons who they have come up in contact via Bluetooth wireless radio technology. This will lead to people self-quarantine to reduce the spread of COVID-19. AT&T is giving 3-month free service of FirstNet to coronavirus superstars, doctors and nurses. AT&T is praising our living gods, who have really worked hard to save numerous lives without thinking about themselves. The news was declared on Sunday night on John Krasinski's web show named Some Good News. This offer is available for both new or existing users of FirstNet. According to the offer, doctors and nurses will be able to get free service for 3 months, but they have to be on one of AT&T's FirstNet responder plans. The offer is for all verified, licensed nurses and doctors in the US and US regions. Doctors and nurses who are as of now on the traditional plan can easily change to a FirstNet plan, which means $40 for an individual to one line's limitless talks, data, and calls. Healthcare professionals who are presently on a traditional plan or on a family plan with more than 2 lines, they will need to change their individual line to FirstNet plan to enjoy the benefits of this plan. And as per security concerns, health professionals will require to verify their license within the activation of 30 days. The process of verifying the license, switching from a traditional plan to FirstNet plan and activating the offer will be done online. All the details from login to data usage can be found on the official website of FirstNet. Apart from this, AT&T is also giving $200 off a FirstNet handy phone when switching in a new FirstNet plan. Apple's recent iPhone 11 series and Samsung's Galaxy S20 incorporates the latest AT&T phones. However, 5G phones are still limited on the AT&T 4G LTE network. AT&T has still not declared a final date when this plan will be available. So these were some big updates from some of the well-known tech giants. For more such updates, stay tuned with Tech Shouters.